Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change Roblox keybinds. Firstly, open up your browser and in the search panel, type auto hotkey. Then click on the Google search button. After that, head to the website of auto hotkey. Now click on the download button. Download the latest one. Save. Now the file has downloaded. Now head to the desktop, double click on the application you just downloaded, and after you choose your install directory, click on the install button. After installation is done, right click on your desktop, select the new option, then click on auto hotkey script. Title it anything you want. I'll just say a Roblox. Then click on create. Now the script is here. Now all we have to do is right click on it, go to open with, choose another app. Now select a notepad. Now we have to import this script. In here, by pressing these keys, it will be replaced with the key that you selected in here. So if you press G, your keyboard and your PC will receive 6. So I can just select here W, A, S, then D. So now if I press G, it will send W signal. So by working this up, you can make it for Roblox. So now you can check your keybind in Roblox and replace it with the keys in here. If you want, you can add more keys, then use this to change the keybinds in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.